Hi guys. It's that time again. So for today's video, as you can already tell, I'm going to be colouring my hair today. The colour I'm going to be using today is Crazy Colour. I have used this before numerous times, any times that I have had my hair like a crazy colour or anything. It has been Crazy Colour. Cheap, it's cheerful, it does the job, and it's not a permanent colour. It's a semi-permanent, so that's what I'm looking for. You can see here I have two bottles. I have the lavender and I have the bubblegum blue. The last time I done my hair, I did have it bubblegum blue, and I will link it down below if you want to go and watch that video. I absolutely loved it. I loved it. As you can see, it is quite dark. It's definitely like a true purple, but we'll see how it looks. I don't actually remember Crazy Colour being that thick. I'll actually post out a picture here somewhere so you can actually see what my hair did look like last time if you didn't actually see that video. Anytime I'm colouring my hair, I always just like to section it off like this. If I'm doing my regrowth, I will section off a wee bit different because obviously there's more of a different technique to that, whereas with this I'm just slapping on this colour just all over. Time to put on some gloves. Oh, I'm shitting my pants. Okay, here goes. I actually have not told anybody I'm doing my hair today. I've told my boyfriend Kyle that I'm colouring my hair this week. I didn't tell him what day and I didn't tell him what colour. So he's coming up tonight. So I think I might actually vlog or film his reaction because I'm obviously vlogging today as well. So I think I'll film his reaction and put it at the end. You're just wanting to really make sure that colour's all saturated through the hair. May as well just clean my hands on my head. I think the next time I'm going to colour my hair, I'm going to go for mint green because I was actually really tempted to go for mint green this time, but I just wanted to go for something completely different because last time, as I was saying, like I was bubblegum blue, and whenever it was washing out, it did look mint green and I loved it. It was absolutely amazing looking. It was so nice. But I think next time I'm going to go for either mint green or peach. Peach seems like a really nice colour. After I do like a section of hair, I always like to just go back and just really saturate that colour just to make sure it's the whole way through. I don't actually like to take really big sections either because you just might actually miss out some hair that's in between. But I just always like to make sure that it's really saturated in so I'm not missing any blonde bits. So I think I'm just going to speed through this next section and I'm just going to listen to music while I'm doing it. So I'm going to get Slipknot to help me out with this. That's it, basically all done. So I just changed my gloves there because I'm now just going to start and do my extensions. But what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to like emulsify it in. That's just like massaging it in just so that I'm definitely not missing any bits and not missing any wee stray blonde hairs at the front or anything. And just all through the back and then around the hairline as well. It looks so cool. So I think I'm just going to leave it on for half an hour to 45 minutes. So I'm going to go now and have my lunch and then I'll come back and have a wee nosy at it and then we'll see how we're looking. But so far so good. It's actually looking pretty cool. Okay guys, so I've just washed it off. As you can see, I'm a tad wet. I did keep it on for I think about 45 minutes. Let's do this. Oh my god. Can you guys see that it's like a wee bit multi-tonal? That's probably with the blue being put in it. Oh lord. Sorry, what was I saying again about it being pastel? This is not lavender. I'm guessing it was maybe the fact that I put blue into it as well. Oh god. What have I done? Oh my god. I'm going to go and blow dry it and style it. I don't know whether I'm going to straighten it or curl it. And then I'm going to put a bit of makeup on and then I'll be back shortly. It's crazy what a bit of makeup can do, isn't it? Okay. I like it. I actually do like it. It's actually nicer now that I have a bit of makeup on. I have it styled. Oh my god. It should be interesting to see how it does wash out. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but there is certain wee bits that are looking pink, purple, darker purple, more of like a pastel purple, which I wanted, and there's actually like it's as if there's like bits of foils through it that were blue. Like I have like wee bits of royal blue through my hair. So the only thing I'm actually worried about and the only thing I'm concerned about now is how it's going to wash out, because blue and purple and pink both wash out differently, and but yeah, I like it. I really do like it. I was in two minds on whether to have it straight or curled, but I'm kind of glad that I put a curl through it because I just think it looks quite cool. So I will also add in a wee clip at the end here to let you see Kyle's reaction whenever he comes up tonight. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram and Twitter. They'll all be linked and listed down below, and I hope to see you all in my next video. So he's now here. I can hear him pulling in the drive. So I'm wondering if I zoom in, I'll be able to actually get his reaction.
Hey babes.
Hi.
I love it. You're purple again.
Yeah, but there's bits of blue through it.
I know, how cool is that? But well, this wee bit looks great.
It's kind of like multi-tonal.
You got my reaction.
I know.
That's awesome looking.
Do you like it?
Awesome.
What do you think?
That looks fucking class, Emma. Not bad.
Okay, let's go get dinner.